Woo! Listen to that vet. Get up beside him, man. Get beside him, dude. Get it! I think he's scared. Holy shit! Damn!
Oh, damn.
Holy shit!
That was fucking mean. That was fucking mean.
You sure you want some of that? You sure you want some of that? Oh shit.
Tell him to give me a ride.
One of the most famous street racing videos out there. This had to be one of the first videos that popped up online of street racing. And crazily enough, this was my brother. Him and his friend would go around looking for cars and pretty much race anyone. So, I had him send over some other old footage, and I want to share it with you guys. Before we get going though, make sure to comment, let us know the first time you saw this video, some memories you had from it, and also, let's share it. If you guys aren't subscribed, feel free. I just wanted to share some more of this because I know you all love cars like I do.
You ready to run, man?
Tell me you had a camera.
That fucker's bad. Holy shit. Let's do it right here, man. We got all-wheel drive, man. We'll rip you out of the hole.
That's the smoke.
Holy shit, that fucker's fast.
Damn.
Too bad you didn't launch it, man.
I fucking didn't launch.
Alright, we're about to race this badass Corvette. There it is, right there.
Okay, we'll go on three. Ready? 1, 2, 3! Holy shit! Whoa! Good fucking run, dude. You ran that boy hard. That was good.
And it started blowing.
God, that thing pulls like a raped egg. Holy shit.
And it had the best, a slight hesitation, but
Wow. That is impressive. Good fight. Good night.
you want to race?
This don't go right now.
No? This thing's come on, man. There's no way a four-banger.
Yeah, what the hell that out?
Hit it, man. What do you have in it?
What?
What do you have in it?
What do you have in it? High performance 4-cylinder?
Four-cylinder?
Yeah. Turbo.
Oh, no, hey! Okay, ready?
Ready, go. Well, that's going to do it for today's video, guys. Like I said, feel free to subscribe. Throw down a comment if you guys remember seeing this Corvette video. And let me know if you want to see some more footage. They've got 20 plus videos of all these races. So they're all from the early 2000s. I find it pretty cool to look back and see what people were doing back then with their cars and tuning and all that. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. And we will catch you next time. Almost forgot to mention, we are doing a giveaway at 3,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys get up there, and everyone that subscribes is going to be entered to win, and we're going to be doing a t-shirt giveaway, so best of luck.